Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by enabling RAW capture. Go to Settings, Camera, and turn on Apple Pro RAW if your model supports it. If not, install a trusted RAW app and grant camera and storage permissions. Once done, open the camera app, select RAW or Pro RAW mode, and choose your preferred resolution. Make sure to keep a HEIF or JPEG backup for sharing. This first step ensures you capture maximum data, so you can edit non-destructively later without. Now you focus on how you shoot. RAW gives you latitude, but you still must protect highlights. Meter for highlights, use exposure compensation or bracket 1 to 2 stops, and lock exposure and focus before recomposing. Once done, use a tripod in low light and a timer or remote to eliminate shake. This preserves the full RAW data. For moving subjects, burst mode increases your chance of a sharp frame. These choices affect how much usable data arrives in post, so they matter. Finish by importing RAW files into your editor, Lightroom, Capture One, or Apple Photos, so you can adjust exposure, white balance, and recovery without degrading quality. Make global corrections, then fine-tune local areas. Export as 16-bit TIFF or a high-quality JPEG for sharing, but keep the RAW for future edits. If something goes wrong, files won't open. Make sure apps are updated, re-import from the iPhone, and verify the file extension. That one troubleshooting step usually resolves compatibility hiccups fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.